make video like this with AI. We are going to use Vido. The link is in the description below. So go to try Vido and then go to image to video. In this interface, you will see that you can upload two images. The first image is the first frame. The second image is the second frame, means that the last frame of your video. You can choose to only upload the first frame, but if you want better control, you can go for two frame. And here is where you can type in your prompt. So after you upload everything, it will look something like this. So you have the first frame before Goku transform, and the last frame after Goku transform, and also the prompt here. I get the prompt from a custom GPT I made under video prompt generator, and also I made these images using Imagen, also in the link below. And then the prompt for the image, I also use a custom GPT I made, all are inside the description. Okay, so then you press the create button, so you take up 4 credit. So Vido give you 80 credit every month, renewable. So don't worry. And then you press the create button. So it's gonna start creating your video. It's quite fast actually. I'm not doing any skipping right now. And there we have it. We have a video of Goku transforming into a Super Saiyan. So you have to try more times if you want to get the style you want. So let's say if you like this, you can actually press the HD button. It will make it into a higher quality video. Very fast. As I say, it is very fast as long as you're not at the peak season. I'm gonna skip right now. Now this is a lot more high definition than the previous one. So I hope you learned something. If you like my video, remember to like and subscribe.